Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate working days in between two dates. Okay, let's go to our Excel. Uh, in Excel worksheet, what I have is start date and end date. For a given start and end date, I'm going to calculate total number of working days in between the start and end dates. Okay, for this purpose, I'm going to use a function called NETWORKDAYS function to calculate the number of working days in between. Okay, I have here is start date and end date, and I'll show you what is a start date. I'm going to give this is the current week when the video is recorded. Okay, the start date is 25th of March 2018, and end date I'm going to give that 31st of March 2018, which is my end date of this week. My week starts from 25th, which is a Sunday, and ends with a Saturday 31st. Okay, so I'm going to calculate how many days in between this week. Obviously you see here 26, 27, 28, 29, 35 working days in between my week. Okay, so let's start. Before that, I want to tell you that the start date and the end date supposed to be in MMDDYYYY format. It's supposed to be in MMDD YYYY format. I just make it small so that you will know what I'm doing. Okay, this format. Okay, so I'm going to put the M is 03, DD is 25 2018. You happen to see this video after a few years later, then you know this video is recorded in 2018. Okay, or if you happen to see this video in 1 century later, then you know this video is 100 years old. Okay, then 31st, okay, March 31st 2018 is the end date, which is nothing but 03 31st 2018. Okay, you can hear background music from a church, and my home is near a church, and you can hear the mass is going on in my church, and you can hear that music in the background. Okay, the 3/31 2018 is the end date. Okay, what is the total number of working days? Okay, how we are going to calculate the net working days? Okay, I'm going to use the function called net working day. Net work days is the function. Okay, net work days returns a number of whole working days between two dates. Okay, whole working days between two dates. Okay, net working days, work days, net work days. Okay, net work days, the arguments are the inputs it takes is start date, end date, and holidays. Okay, we will start with the function with the start date and end date, and then I will explain to you how to use holidays. Okay, start date is this date, comma, end date is this date. Okay, close the bracket. From start date to end date, see 5 days. Is it 5 days in between? 25th is a Sunday, so we leave it this one. Monday to Friday, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 5 days. And 31st is the Saturday, so we leave it this one. So 5 days in a week. Okay, so this shows 26 to 30 is the 5 days. Okay, so it gives us the number of working days. Okay, now obviously the question becomes okay, let's see. What we'll do is we just copy this. We'll do few experiments. Okay, we'll do few experiments. First one is increase it to 18. What will happen? Will it give the 18th week? The week starts with 18, also have 5 working days. This also have 5 working days. Will it give a 10 working days? Let's see. Okay, end date is the same, 31st March, but starting date is 18th March. Yes, it comes with the 10 is the answer. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, what I'm going to do is now the same example. Copy and paste. Again, whether these 2 dates, this function includes the starting day and the ending day or not. So in between means what? Strictly in between is does it include the start date, or does it include end date or not? Okay, that one we are going to check. Okay, we will see 25th. We will put because 25th is the Sunday, we may not know whether it includes the date or not, so we will start with 23. Okay, so if 23 we put one more working day to this, then it has to give 6 if it includes 23 also. But if it returns only 5, that means it is not including the start date and end date. Okay, let's see. 23. If you put 23, it includes the 23. That means the start date is included. Okay, we will do one more check. We will put from 26 to 30 and see whether it includes. to 30. Of course, so this function includes both start date and also the end date. Okay, while calculating the working days, so it is not strictly in between, it in between plus start and end dates also. If start date is is a working day, it will count that one also. If the end date is a working day, it will count that one also. If both of them are working days, it will include both the dates also. Okay, so it includes both the start date and end dates. Okay, now what is the holiday? Okay, now we are going to do holiday also. For example, this week 25 to 31st, we have got about 5 working days, but in the 5 working days, the function assumes that Monday to Friday is the working days. Okay, and even then there is one holiday in the week itself. For example, 30th, for a straightforward function, 38 is a Friday, so it's a working day. But this week happens to be the Holy Week for this year, and we have a Good Friday on 30th, which is a holiday here. So this is the special week this week, and Jesus died on Good Friday, and he brought the deliverance to humanity, and it's a very holy day, and it's a holiday here, so all around the world. So we exclude that day from the working day calculation. Okay, so how to exclude that day? So the function also have the argument that what is the holiday. Okay, and if that holiday is there, then it will exclude that one, it will minus that one also. So we will give a holiday. When is the holiday? (2018). Okay, now I just copy and paste working days in between start and end days, working days, excluding holidays, okay, this part. Okay, what I am going to do here is I am going to use the function one more time and include the holiday. Okay, include the holiday for calculation to actually excluding the holiday. That means it also minus off the holiday from the working day. Network days is the start date, 25th, end date, and the holiday. Okay, holiday 4. So it minus off those holidays fall in between the week, in between the start date and the end date. So this function is helpful to calculate the start and end date, working days between start and end date, as well as it is also minus off the holidays in between. Okay, this is only one holiday. If it is 2 holidays, what I will do? Okay, in some countries, if the Monty Thursday is also a holiday, that's before the Good Friday, when Jesus was caught by the soldiers and suffered. That day and also he had his loss suffer, so that day is also a holiday. Then how can I minus of that day? Okay, it's going to be 2 days, so you use the range for that. Okay, the holiday, okay, I just copy and paste this one here to show this example. Okay, the holiday part, what I'm going to do, okay, everything. Starting day is 25th, ending day is 31st. Now holidays are 2 holidays, so how do you do? Use the range. Okay, Good Friday and also Monty Thursday. Enter. See, those 2 holidays are subtracted from the working days. So this way you can include the include the holidays also, so to minus off from the total number of working days. So this function is very useful in the context of using this function in lot of reports, as well as calculating the working days in between a period. Okay, so I hope this video is useful to you, and if you have any suggestions to improve my videos, please leave it there. And also if you have any problems to be solved, just leave it there. I will try to solve using Excel, as well as if you like my videos, just give a like, also subscribe to my channels, and I hope I will see you on next video, and this video is useful to you, and God bless you.